Welcome! Have you ever found yourself needing to unblock someone on Instagram but weren't quite sure how to do it? You're not alone. Sometimes relationships change, and you might want to reconnect with someone you've previously blocked. Today, we're going to walk through the updated steps to easily unblock someone on Instagram using your Android device. So, let's jump right in. First, make sure you have the Instagram app open on your Android device. Once you're on the main feed, look for your profile picture in the bottom right corner and tap on it. This action will take you directly to your profile page. Now, you'll want to locate the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on that to reveal a list of options. Next, look for the section labeled Who Can See Your Content. Within this section, you'll see the option for Blocked. Give that a tap and you will see a list of users that you've blocked in the past. Find the username of the person you want to unblock. Next to their name, you'll notice an option to unblock. Tap on that, and you'll be prompted to confirm your choice. Just tap Yes to finalize the unblocking process. And there you have it. You've successfully unblocked someone on Instagram. Remember that unblocking someone can allow them to view your profile and interact with you again, so choose wisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram.